Men over 50, have you ever wondered why some mornings you wake up feeling strong and ready for the day, and other mornings it feels like your body is working against you? Why the same routine you've had for years suddenly doesn't give you the same energy, clarity, or confidence? That question isn't about age alone. It's about hormones, especially testosterone. Testosterone doesn't drop suddenly. It slips away quietly. One late night here, one stressful week there, a few skipped workouts, and before you know it, your internal engine isn't firing the way it used to. But the good news is that the male body is incredibly responsive, even after 50. You just have to give it the right signals. And tonight, I want you to try something incredibly simple, something you probably already have sitting in your kitchen: olive oil. But not just olive oil by itself, mixed with one powerful ingredient that can help your body support stronger testosterone levels while you sleep. See, olive oil is one of the most studied natural oils in the world. It's rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that your body loves. Researchers have shown that the right type of fat can help the body produce more hormones naturally, especially when combined with a nutrient that the male body becomes deficient in over time. And that nutrient is honey, raw, unprocessed honey. Why honey? Because it contains minerals that support hormone production, especially when your body is at rest. I first came across this combination in a book discussing ancient wellness practices and how men maintained vitality well into their older years. The text explained that before modern medicine, men relied on natural pairings like oils and natural sugars to support their strength, sleep, and internal balance. When you mix a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil with a teaspoon of raw honey at night, something powerful happens. Your body gets a slow, steady release of nutrients. Olive oil helps stabilize your hormones and supports your cells, while honey assists your body in repairing, recovering, and rebuilding during sleep, the time when testosterone is naturally produced. And here's something most men don't realize. Your testosterone isn't made in the gym. It isn't made in the morning. It's made at night, when you sleep, when your body is finally quiet enough to rebuild. That's why your nighttime routine matters more than what you do during the day. Think about the signs: waking up tired even after 7 hours of sleep, feeling irritated or foggy, a drop in physical strength or stamina, a decrease in interest or drive. Yes, that drive. These aren't random. They're messages, signals that your testosterone is trying to tell you it needs support. This simple mix of olive oil and honey works with your body's natural rhythms. It doesn't force anything, doesn't overstimulate, and doesn't depend on expensive supplements. It gently supports the systems that produce testosterone, and it does this during the hours when your body is designed to create it. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, clearer, more grounded. Imagine going through your day with better focus. Imagine recognizing yourself again, the strong, capable version of you that you thought you'd lost with age. That version is still there. You just need to give your body the tools to bring him forward again. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Mix them, take them before bed, and give your body the quiet boost it has been waiting for. Consistency is key. One night won't change everything, but 10 nights, 30 nights, you'll feel it. The men who try this often describe it as getting their spark back. You don't need complicated routines or harsh supplements to reclaim your vitality. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest, already sitting in your kitchen, waiting to be used with intention. Your body is ready to respond. All it needs is the right signal given at the right time, tonight. Testosterone naturally decreases as men age, but the real issue isn't just age. It's how the body becomes less efficient at producing and protecting hormones. Stress, inflammation, poor sleep, and nutrient deficiencies act like small leaks in a tire. Slowly, pressure drops until you finally feel the difference. Men don't wake up one morning weaker. It's a long decline that starts years earlier. Understanding this helps you take control instead of blaming age. Most men try to boost testosterone during the day, workouts, supplements, diets, but testosterone production mainly happens at night. The quality of your night predicts the strength of your morning. Even a small nighttime habit, like a heavy meal or late screen time, can interrupt the hormones your body makes while you sleep. The right nighttime routine acts like a reset button, allowing testosterone to restore itself naturally. Many men search for exotic supplements, yet one of the most powerful hormone-supporting tools is already in the kitchen. Natural, healthy fats, especially from olive oil, help the body rebuild cells, reduce inflammation, and support hormone-producing glands. When combined with a nutrient-rich ingredient, this simple addition becomes a quiet force for hormone improvement. Extra virgin olive oil contains monounsaturated fats that help your body produce cholesterol. The raw material testosterone is made from. It also contains antioxidants that protect the Leydig cells in your testicles, the very cells responsible for testosterone. Protecting these cells is like protecting the engine of your hormonal system. Olive oil does this gently and naturally. Honey, especially raw honey, contains essential minerals like boron, antioxidants, and natural sugars that help regulate hormones. When mixed with olive oil, it creates a combination that supports hormone production, reduces oxidative stress, and promotes deeper sleep. This pairing is a natural synergy. One ingredient fuels hormone production, the other protects and supports it. At night, your body enters repair mode. Olive oil provides healthy fats that stabilize hormones, while honey gives your body slow, steady energy and nutrients for cellular repair. Together, they support testosterone production during the early stages of sleep, when hormone release naturally spikes. This mix doesn't act like a stimulant. It quietly supports the body's own machinery. Low testosterone doesn't show up all at once. Instead, you'll notice lower morning energy, reduced physical strength, less interest and motivation, mood swings or irritability, difficulty losing fat, trouble sleeping or staying asleep. These are signals from your body that your hormones need support. Recognizing them early puts you in control. Consistency is the secret. A simple nightly ritual, 1 teaspoon of olive oil mixed with 1 teaspoon of raw honey, acts like a gentle daily investment in your hormones. Over time, this habit supports better sleep, improved mood, and renewed vitality. It's not a quick fix. It's a steady, natural support system. Most supplements fail because they rely on force, not support. The body responds better to small, consistent habits than to sudden, extreme changes. Night after night, this combination reinforces better hormone balance. Instead of overwhelming the body, it nourishes it. And that's why simple, natural practices often outperform expensive solutions. They work with your biology, not against it.